Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Toyota Highlander LE. It comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as center locking differential, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, blind spot monitoring, Firestone tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom right next to the speakers. We come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows. Onto the seats, you're just getting these gray cloth bucket seats, manually adjustable. Left side, you're going to have the rear wiper, as well as your auto light. Left side of the steering wheel will be your volume control and voice recognition. And the right side will be your lane departure warning, odometer and cluster control, and behind that will be your cruise. The odometer can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your eco indicator, your gauges, as well as your driver assistance and other information as well. It's not going to be push start. You're going to have the classic key, classic climate controls as well. And onto the infotainment. It's pretty straightforward. You got your Bluetooth connectivity. You can access your vehicle customization through here, as well as your audio and voice recognition. Got some extra storage down below there, and you're going to have your snow mode, as well as your center locking differential and hill descent control, and the center console. Lots of extra storage inside. Storage deeper with the 12-volt. Passenger side, manually adjustable, same finish. It's going to have the black and brown go the way across. Speakers and vents up top. And then here you can just access reading lamps and sunglass case holder with the mirror. You're going to have 18-inch aluminum wheels and Firestone Destination tires. Paint match mirror caps with the door handles as well. Comes to the back, tinted rear glass in the back. And then we come to the back here. You're going to have the third row seating, which can move right down once you pull these tabs. And into the back here for the third row, you're going to have cup holders and vents on each side. You're also going to have extra storage down below with your tools, lamps and storage. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, more paneling and storage next to the speakers. Power windows again with the black and brown. Box gray. Up in the back, lots of legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear climate controls, USB ports and storage on the bottom. Cup holder and armrest, and lamps and handles on the side there. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2018 Toyota Highlander LE. Comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine, as well as Firestone Destination tires, hill descent control, center locking diff, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.